The warm weather is on the way, and one of the best things to do is to grill your own burger. And what makes a fantastic burger is a homemade burger bun. So we're going to use the bread machine today and make my homemade hamburger buns. It's quick, it's easy. We're going to make the dough in the bread machine. We're going to shape the buns and then bake them off in the oven. So join me. Let's make bread machine hamburger buns. So I'm using my old school Breadman Ultimate. This is one of my favorite bread machines. This will work in any bread machine. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to put 2 tablespoons of softened butter. We're going to put 1 cup of water. So we're probably going to have to, when it starts to come together as a ball, we're going to have to adjust it a little bit. It's always the case with bread. So just know that we're starting with 1 cup of water, but we may have to either dust it with flour or spritz it with a little water. We're going to go ahead and put 2 tablespoons of sugar. We're going to put an egg. So you want to put these in the order that your manual for your bread machine suggests. Mine is liquids on the bottom, flour, and then yeast. We're also going to put the salt in on the bottom because you want to separate the salt from the yeast. So we're going to go ahead and put 3 cups of bread flour. And in here we're going to put a little well. I'm going to pop in 2 teaspoons of instant yeast. This is SAF. If you use a different kind of yeast, like Active Dry, you might have to use a little bit more, but we're using 2 teaspoons of SAF instant yeast. So let me get the bread machine. Okay, so now we're going to put our pan inside the machine. This one, it just clips down. So we're going to go ahead and use the select function, and we're going to go all the way down till we get to the dough setting. And on my machine, it's 1 hour and 30 minutes. We're going to go ahead and hit start. And when this comes together in a ball, we're going to open this baby up real quick to make sure that it's a nice soft dough ball. So we'll be right back. Okay, so the dough is brought together nicely. You just want a smooth dough ball, so you might have to adjust it a little bit of flour, a little bit of water. It depends on how humid, how dry it is. That's the case with any bread. Mine, the little door falls off, but I still love this thing, and that dough is looking beautiful. So as soon as the cycle's done and the dough is finished, we will shape up our hamburger buns. Okay, the bread dough is done, and we're gonna go ahead. Wow, it looks amazing. That's the SAF. I'm just going to put a little bit of olive oil on here. You can use a little bit of flour, or you can use a little olive oil. And we're going to get our dough out here. Woo! It's kind of sticky. Woo! Okay, so we got the air out of this, and we're going to give it a little bit of a knead. We're going to knead it too much, just to knock the air out. So for hamburger buns, you want to do 4-ounce rolls. Dinner rolls, you're going to do 2 ounces. Oh, there's still air in here. Hamburger buns, we're going to do 4. So let's see here. I got my scale here, and we got it tared out. So we're going to go ahead and do 4 ounce rolls. 3.90. $3.84. This scale is very sensitive. 3.97. I think this usually does. Whoops. Okay, so we have all our hamburger buns weighed out here. I'm just going to put them over here. I got 5, so that's pretty close. And we're just going to form our rolls. It's very simple to do. All you really have to do is get them going like this. Roll them around. It's pretty to me. Look at that. Oh, this is very nice dough. Very nice dough. And I'll flatten them a little bit so we get wider buns and not just tall. However you form your buns, there's probably the perfect way to do this, but I'm not a perfect baker, so.
Now these are going to be individual buns, so you're going to cut them in half for your 2 sides, right?
Yeah.
It's not like you need 2 blobs to make one. 1 blob works.
Yes, it's 1 hamburger bun. You're so good, Bill.
Yeah, on behalf of people who are clueless, I thought I'd, ask.
Well, I want to smash them a little bit. Sometimes I make these, and if I don't, they end up being tall. So let me finish these off. So I don't know why I said I have 5, because I have 6. I guess I can't count. So I formed all the hamburger buns. We're going to cover and let this babies rise. For a second rise, we're going to be doing an egg wash on them, then we'll be baking them off. So we'll be back. Okay, the oven's heated to 350. We've been preheating it, and the rolls are, yay, they're risen.
Are they rolls or are they hamburger buns?
Hamburger buns, whatever.
Same difference?
So I have an egg wash here. I basically took an egg, put about a tablespoon of water in it. This is just going to make the rolls nice and shiny. So we're going to take a little brush here, and we're just going to very gently put a little coating on each roll. This is going to make them shine up, hamburger bun. Yeah. Ooh. Just be very gentle with the buns, right? Just want to very lightly coat them with the egg. How you like that, Bill?
So we're not trying to poke little holes and make like bowling balls out of them?
I mean, you could slash them and then they would open up and look like mini bowls. If you slash them, they'll open this way. So I'm going to put these in the oven. They'll probably be in there 20-30 minutes. You want to, where they're nice and brown, and when you tap on them, they give you a hollow sound. So when these babies are done, we'll be back. We have fresh baked hamburger buns, guys. And they look, oh, so yummy. Oh, look at that. So all you have to do is split these babies. We're not going to do it now because you need to wait till they cool. So the crumb sets up. But you just want it to have that sound. Woo! These look amazing. I think I'm going to make a chicken sandwich chicken bacon sandwich on one of these. Woohoo. Wow.
Chick-fil-A ain't got nothing on these buns.
So the SAF, like, boom, right? The SAF, they just blow up. Does that look good, Boo?
Uh-huh.
Think you can eat one of these?
Maybe. Got some butter? I don't need hamburgers. I just need some butter.
Yeah, these look amazing. So look at that. There's your fresh baked hamburger bun. Split that bad boy. And they smell so good.
It smells like a bakery in here.
Yeah, it does. They're fantastic. So the Bread Machine, great job. So we're going to let these cool, and Eric's going to cook up some chicken. We're going to have some chicken bacon sandwiches. And look at that. Yeah. So cooks, try these. You're going to love them. If you like this video, please subscribe below. Leave me a comment and a like, and visit my website at amylearnstocook.com. The recipe will be out there. You can search and print, and I'll leave a link down in the description. Also, visit me on social media at facebook.com/groups/amylearnstocook, and on Twitter and Pinterest at Amy Learns to Cook, and on Instagram at Cookin' with Amy.